If your Shopify is randomly redirecting visitors to another page, don't worry. I will show you how to fix it step by step, so let's get started. So, if your store is redirecting users unexpectedly, it could be due to a hacked theme or malicious code. Simply navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to online store, then navigate to preferences. Now, under preferences, scroll down to Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel section and check if there's any unknown tracking code or suspicious scripts. The fix is if you see anything unfamiliar, remove it and save changes. Now, after doing this, you can navigate to step 2, that is checking your theme code for redirects. So, sometimes a faulty theme or custom code can cause random redirects. So, navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to online store, navigate to themes, then click actions and click edit code. Now, open the theme.liquid file or search for it, then press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard, then search for windows.location.href, or you can also search for meta http-equiv is equal to refresh, or you can also search for set timeout function, and if you find any unwanted redirects, delete them and save changes, and that could instantly fix your problem. Now, step 3 is checking apps that might be causing redirects. Navigate to settings on your Shopify admin, navigate to apps and sales channels. Now, click on three-dotted icon after any of the recently installed apps. Click on uninstall, choose this, then click on uninstall again. And that could also fix the problem. So if the issue is resolved after this, you should understand that the problem was caused by the app, not by your actions. Now, Shopify has a built-in redirect manager that might be misconfigured. Simply navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to online store, navigate to navigation, and you can see here the URL redirects. So click on view URL redirects available here if you'll have created any. Now, look for any unexpected redirects and remove the incorrect ones. Now, you can also try clearing your browser cache and cookies, opening Shopify store in incognito mode and checking on a different device or internet connection if the issue was with your device or with your Shopify store. Now, if none of these steps fixes the issue, it's best to contact Shopify support for further investigation. Go to Shopify Help Center and provide details like when the issue started and affected pages. And that's it. You have successfully fixed random redirects on your Shopify store. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below if you need more Shopify fixes. See you next time.